2 master locks picked online fairly quick. Hey guys, it's Joe from Average Joe Locksport. We got a couple more locks here. A friend bought them and sent them to me. They're like bike lock, fence lock, any kind of lock that you could lock up with the cabling. As you can see, they both lock and they both unlock. They are key retaining and it is a full spring back. As you can see, locked. As you can see, locked. Alright, put the green one up top, blue one on the bottom. Alright, and these are, as you can see, master lock. Same thing here, master lock. So let's see if we can get them picked. Here is one of my custom handles from 3D Locksport. And these are also color changing. As you can see where my hand holds them, you can see they start to turn colors. So let's see if we can get this thing picked. And there's one picked. And as you can see, I'm getting false sets on this. And there is our second open. So I wouldn't recommend locking up anything too valuable with these. But there you go. 2 master locks picked. And as you can see, the pick itself are the color changing handles along with the custom pick itself. Changes with the heat from your hand. As you can see, purple to pink. Alright guys, that's it. 2 master locks picked fairly quick. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Otherwise, have a good day. Bye. If you like what you've seen, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.